This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Filippone. This home is in good condition, with newer water heater replaced within the last year and a half, 6-year-old heating and air conditioning systems, great room with gas fireplace, nice dining area, and an eat-in kitchen, 3 good-sized bedrooms, with walk-in closets. Master has 2 walk-in closets with jetted garden-style tub, and separate shower, double vanity and master. Fenced-in backyard for privacy, and single-car garage, and 2 driveway parking spots, near bases and shopping. For more information, review the details below or contact Filippone at 757-549-2000.